In today's video, I will walk you through how to track crypto in Yahoo Finance. Start by signing in to your Yahoo account on Yahoo Finance. Being signed in, make sure your changes are saved and available across your devices. Once you're on the Yahoo Finance homepage, look at the navigation menu near the top and click on My Portfolio. This section is where Yahoo Finance keeps your watch lists and portfolios. It gives you a single place to keep track of the cryptocurrencies you want to monitor. Inside My Portfolio, select the option to create a new portfolio. When the available options appear, choose to create a new portfolio manually. This option lets you set everything up yourself from the beginning. Next, enter a name for the portfolio. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later. After typing the name, click Create. Yahoo Finance will create a new empty portfolio where you can start adding cryptocurrencies. Now move to the Search or Add field. Here, enter the ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to follow. Yahoo Finance commonly uses the format of the coin symbol followed by USD. For example, Bitcoin uses BTC USD, and Ethereum uses ETH USD. As you begin typing, matching results will appear. Select the ticker that corresponds to the coin and currency pair you want to track. If you prefer another currency pair, search for that version and select it from the list. Continue repeating the same process for each cryptocurrency you want to include. Add as many tickers as you want to your portfolio. Every time you add a coin, the portfolio updates with pricing information, daily changes, and other market data. You do not need to manually save each addition. Yahoo Finance automatically saves the portfolio as you add new tickers. Once you finish adding your cryptocurrencies, you can return to My Portfolio whenever you want to check how they are performing. If you have multiple portfolios, the name you chose earlier will help you quickly identify the crypto list you created. Open it at any time to view all your selected coins in one place. You can continue adding more cryptocurrencies later by returning to the same portfolio and using the search field again. The process remains exactly the same for every new coin you want to track. That's all there is to it. Sign into Yahoo Finance, go to My Portfolio, create a new portfolio manually, give it a name, and add your crypto tickers. Once they're added, you'll have a centralized view of your cryptocurrency prices and market activity whenever you need it. Thank you for watching.